So actually, there's quite a lot of collaboration and communication between our government and BZK. We, of course, have to look at it from a more strategic point of view. We've already outlined 3 phases of how we want to address the issue. The first being the immediate urgent issue to sort of address the load shedding. Secondly, how can we fill the gap in between? That's phase 2. How can we fill the gap in between the short-term needs? And then finally, of course, very important for us, phase 3, long-term energy sustainability, which includes renewable alternative energies. I think we have to reach the point now we've realized that to continue how we've been doing it for so long isn't sustainable. So the 3 phases have been put forward by this government, of course, and we are discussing how best to finance it given our financial limitations, as we know, in collaboration with BZK.
Maybe a lesson that the other islands in the kingdom can learn about how vulnerable an island is towards energy.
Exactly, and I think what's one of the main things that we've been focused on for a number of years, the issues of small and developing states SIDS. I think it's a discussion that has really come now to the forefront in kingdom relations, the importance of SIDS, the vulnerability of SIDS, and also how we can work together as lessons learned throughout the kingdom, particularly from the Caribbean parts, as to realize that, you know, we are SIDS, there's vulnerabilities. How we handle those vulnerabilities within the kingdom are very important for the development of all people within the kingdom. We just had my first EDEMER. It was a very good, successful meeting. I think the focus of it a lot was a wonderful collaboration with, in particular, State Secretary Van Huffelen and the work that she's done, and the strong collaboration that the countries wish to continue to have with the incoming government, I think based on accountability, trust, and good cooperation. This is also my last EDEMER, as I'll be returning back home this weekend to take up the role of Minister of Romi and Deputy Prime Minister. So very short, very effective, and you know, we continue to work in collaboration and benefit of the whole kingdom.